Dollar index, we're going to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, first of all, if you refer to my analysis, on Thursday, when the price was here, we had this line. We say if we get the sell, we can sell. This is where we get the small flag, and here, and we get this down move. But when we see this one, this is where we should take out the trade. Okay, now because the reason is if we move to forward chart, we mentioned any down move, as long as the price come to this level, exactly here, we need to start to manage. That's why I mentioned whether traders, they want to sell from here or not, it depends on them. Okay, as we can see, the price break, and based on 1 hour chart, what we show that is reverse. Okay, now we take out this one and we move to daily chart. Okay, first of all, we want to see how we can trade for the next week, whether this is the start of the up move or we can look for this correction. Maybe the price can drop. By the way, we have been looking for buy. The only question was whether, even if we, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this range, whether this is the start of the up move and this is the correction right now, or still we can expect the price to break this low. Even this is what we have, what we have been watching for this, for next move. Okay, because if we move to the weekly chart, we know what we have been looking for. We're looking the price to test this low, then we're looking for this. These are for the long term, but the only thing is we need to confirm this one. The way is moving. Can we put this correction in relative to this or not? Okay, now we want to see next week how we can trade it. All right, as we can see, we get this sharp move. Now the thing is, for the next week, can we expect for the continuation or not? All right, by the way, if anyone wants to look for buy when the market open, the only times they can buy if they see the confirmation, the correction here. Rather than that, they cannot look for buy. Why? Because how about if this one turn to a flat in the relative to this for next move down? That's why if we get any sell, we will be more interested. But right now we cannot confirm. Okay, if we put this one. Okay, that's mean if we move, let me change this one. Okay, that's mean if we move to lower time frame 1 hour chart, when the market open, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction here, and any buy we consider as a short term, similar to what we have here, because the price easily can move and even break this top, which is this one, and then from there drop. Again, if we move to forward chart, I just now explained that because the price even from here or even there can break this top, still we can expect for down move. That's why any buy we have to get the correction before we look for buy. This is what we need to know. And if we want to look for sell, we need any sharp move, this correction, we can look for sell. Maybe similar to what we have here, right? Exactly this one. Okay, the only thing is we don't buy, we do the confirmation. And if we get the sell, we will be more interested, because if we get any sharp move down with the correction, we can look for sell and the stop loss should be above here. Or I don't think even we can put above this, but the best is here, because we want to see in terms of the risk and reward what we get. And as you can see, based on 1 hour chart, we don't have anything. All right, we cannot jump into a trade with the market open. The only thing is buy, we have to get the correction. But the thing is the best, if we see any reversal point, this is what we're looking for. And we want the price to break this low. By the way, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is when the market open, we need to make a decision. Or maybe also I can point on this. We get this move, the price drop, a small correction. This is what we get. Okay, if we get any trade setup similar to what we have here, we will be looking for sell, because we will putting this one as a running flat. Even the possibility the price move a bit higher to break this one, change the flat. But if we get the sell, this is what we are looking for. Anyway, when the market open, if I see any changes or trade setup that confirm for the next move, as I say, mostly we will be interested. If we get the sell in terms of the risk and reward, then I will share. Thanks.